Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to download video from Google Photos. So firstly, I will show you how to do this on PC and then I will move to the phone. Okay, so on your PC, open your browser, then write Google Photos, sign in into your account, and make sure that you use your current account if it already signed in, like what I have. So this one is mine, just change it. You can also add account. You just need to click at the profile icon and then add another account. And now we need to find the video. So right here I have it. We can also use videos. And now, let's say I wanna download this video. I need to select it, then click at the three dots at the right top and download. And now, so it uses MOV format, but usually you will save it in MP4. Like, this one is original format for this video, so that's why it's not MP4. And we did it. And now let's move to the phone. On your phone, open Google Photos application. Then select the video what you wanna save. Let's say this one. You can click at this video and then click at the three dots at the right top and download, or if you wanna save multiple videos, just select pause, and right here you need to scroll down and save to device. But if you have Android, not iOS, you will have download with the same icon, and you just click on it. Then let's move to the gallery, and now I have 2 more videos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!